Alright, we're opening the Haven XL package I just got. Let's see what's in the box. All kinds of goodies. Ridge light. Got the power pump. That would be our stakes, I believe. Oh. That's our whoopee straps. Slings. That's awesome. Got an awesome sticker. Of course, mandatory paperwork and packing slips. It's our tent and sleeping pad. And our guide plates. Alright, let's check out some of this stuff we have here. Open up this power pump box. Let's check out what we got here. Nice, pretty light. Nice little clip, carabiner clip. Spring-loaded toggle there. Multiple points for different kinds of inflator connections. Two different cables, one for iPhone and one for Type-C. And a nice little carry sack. Looks pretty nice. Awesome. See how it all fits together. Of course, we have a Samsung, so we won't need the lightning cable. We can give that to somebody we know. Nice power pump. About this ridge light. I'm kind of excited about this thing. It comes in a nice little carrying sack already. Pretty solid construction. Carabiner on both ends, so you can clip it on either end of your Haven hammock. I happen to have a power pack right here, so we can plug this in and see how well it works. Let's turn this thing on. Ooh. That's pretty nice. I like that. Also comes with these two rubber reusable ties. This would be nice for rolling it back up and keeping it in a loop, or tying up the loose parts of it up to your ridge line in your hammock. Let's give this thing a roll and see how well this thing loops back up. Cable managed. Storage nice and easy. Pretty light. Let's see our whoopee strings look like. Get this tag out of the way here. Nobody likes tags. I got the green ones. I like to get these outside to check out how well they work. I've never used a whoopee things before, so this should be fun. What else we got in here? Nice Haven branded carabiners. Not for climbing, but should plenty strong enough to hold you up in your Haven. Good spring to them. That's their little stuff for now.